Hi everyone, myself Charishma, currently pursuing BTech first year from CSM branch. Today I am here to explain about Lagrange's theorem. Firstly, let us see the statement of Lagrange's theorem. Let f of x f maps a to b gives R be a function such that f of x, here we have two conditions to prove that it's a Lagrange's theorem. First condition is f of x is continuous in a and b. Second one is f of x is differential in a and b. Here continuous functions are, as we all know that every inverse trigonometric function is a continuous function. And every polynomial function is also a continuous function. Now let us know the how we get this formula by geometrical application. As we all know that this is y-axis and this is x-axis. Now let us take two lines parallel to y-axis and let it be a and let it be b. Now take a curve and this point a comma f of a, and let this be b comma f of b, and this is f of c. As we all know that slope equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here we get y2, f of b minus f of a is equals to b minus a. Now let us solve the problem on it. Pi by 4 plus 3 by 25 is less than tan inverse of 4 by 3 is less than 1 by 6 plus 5 by 4. Let f of x be tan x. Tan inverse of x. As we all know that the first condition to solve is continuous function. So let us solve it. F of x is continuous. F of x equals to tan inverse x. As we know that every inverse trigonometric function is a continuous function. Therefore, f of x is continuous in a comma b. Next, second condition, f of x is differentiable in a comma b. As we know, f of x equals to tan inverse x. Derivative of f of x equals to derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So it has a perfect derivative. Then f of x is differentiable in a comma b. Therefore, f of x is differentiable in a comma b. As two conditions are satisfied, now let us see slope. F of x satisfies all the conditions of Lagrange's mean value theorem. By Lagrange's mean value theorem, we know that C belongs to A comma B. F of B minus f of A by B minus A. Now let us solve this. F of C equals to, in this function, in the question, the function is tan inverse of x. So let us take tan inverse B minus tan inverse A by B minus A. F dash of x. F dash of x is nothing but 1 by 1 plus c square equals to tan inverse B minus tan inverse A by B minus A. As we know, C belongs to A comma B. Now let us solve this. A is less than C is less than B. Here we have 1 plus n square. So now first squaring, we get A square less than B square less than. And by adding 1 plus A square plus 1 plus c square is less than 1 plus b square. One by 1 plus c square is less than 1 by 1 plus a square. As we got, now substitute this in place of 1 by 1 plus c square. 1 by 1 plus b square is less than tan inverse b minus tan inverse a by b minus a, 1 by 1 plus a square. From the question we just have numerator, so we should eliminate the denominator. To eliminate the denominator, we should multiply b minus a on this equation. So let us solve it. B minus a by 1 plus b square is less than tan inverse b minus tan inverse a, b minus a by 1 plus a square. Here we get a equals to, from the question, the angle given in this question is pi by 4 and the trigonometric function is tan. So let us take tan inverse of pi by 4. The value is 1. B equals to B is equals to this value, because this is the function we take and this is the value of B we get. B equals to 4 by 3. Now solving this we get B 4 by 3 minus 1 by 1 plus 4 by 3 whole square is less than tan inverse of 5 by 4. Here B is nothing but 4 by 3 minus of tan inverse of 5 by 4 is less than B minus A. B is nothing but 4 by 3 minus 1 by 1 plus 1 square. Here we get 4 minus 1. One by 3 whole by 1 plus 3 square, 16 by 9. 25 by 9 is less than tan inverse of 4 by 3, and this tan inverse of 1. So we get 5 by 4. this 3, 1 by 3 whole divided by 2. By solving this, we get 2 by 25 tan inverse of 4 by 3 minus pi by 4 1 by 6. Here we have the angle pi by 4. To get this value, we should add and subtract on this equation. Then we get 3 by 25 plus pi by 4 is less than tan inverse of 4 by 3 is less than 1 by 6 plus pi by 4. Hence, Lagrange's mean value theorem is verified. Thank you guys. Hope you all understand.